नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर नरेंद्र कुमार गर्ग, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ काय चिकित्सा, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Today we are discussing on drug allergy. Drug allergies. Drug allergies are a group of symptoms caused by an allergic reaction to a drug or medicine. Causes for drug allergies. A drug allergy involves an immune response in the body that produces an allergic reaction to a medicine. The first time you take the medicine, you may have no problem, but your body's immune system may produce a substance or antibody against that drug. The next time you take the drug, the antibody may tell your white blood cells to make a chemical called histamine. Histamines and other chemicals cause your allergy symptoms. Common allergy causing drugs include drugs used to treat seizures, insulin, especially animal sources of insulin, substances containing iodine such as X-ray contrast dye, penicillin and related antibiotics, sulfa drugs. Most side effects of drugs are not due to an allergic reaction. For example, aspirin can cause hives or trigger asthma without involving the immune system. Many people confuse an unpleasant but not serious side effects of a medicine with a drug allergy. Symptoms. Most drug allergies cause minor skin rashes and hives. These symptoms may occur right away or hours after receiving the drugs. Serum sickness is a delayed type of drug allergy that occurs a week or more after you are exposed to a medicine or vaccine. Common symptoms of a drug allergy include hives, itching of the skin or eyes, skin rashes, swelling of the lips, tongue or face, wheezing, anaphylaxis. The symptoms of anaphylaxis are abdominal pain or cramping, confusion, diarrhea, difficult breathing with wheezing or hoarse voice, dizziness, fainting, hives over different parts of the body, nausea, vomiting, sensation of feeling the heartbeat and heartbeat palpitations. Treatment. The goal of treatment is to relieve symptoms and prevent a severe reaction. Treatment may include antihistamines to relieve mild symptoms such as rash, hives and itching, bronchodilators such as albuterol to reduce asthma-like symptoms, corticosteroids applied to the skin given by mouth or given through intravenously, epinephrine by injection to treat anaphylaxis. The offending medicine and similar drugs should be avoided. Make sure all your providers, including dentist and hospital staff, know about any drug allergies that you or your children have. In some cases, a penicillin allergy responds to desensitization. This treatment involves being given very small doses at first, followed by larger and larger doses of a medicine to improve your tolerance of the drug. This process should be done only by an allergist when there is no alternative drug for you take. Prevention. There is generally no way to prevent a drug allergy. If you have a known drug allergy, avoiding the drug is the best way to prevent an allergic reaction. You may also be told to avoid similar medicines. In some cases, a provider may approve the use of a drug that causes an allergy. If you are first treated with medicines that slow or block the immune response, these include corticosteroids and antihistamines. Do not try this without a provider's supervision. Pre-treatment with corticosteroids and antihistamines has been shown to prevent allergic reactions in people who need to get X-ray contrast dye. Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.